James 2:4. Kai ou diakritheita in haotois, kai egenestha kritai dialogismon paneron. Try to say that with a rising intonation to show this is a question. To understand this verse, we need to look all the way back to 2:2, where we have the beginning of the third class conditional, the if part of the if-then statement. This verse 4, is the then part, the apodosis, right? The if part of the prodosis is James 2:2 and 2:3. So all the way to the end of verse 3. If a rich man were to come in and you treat him this way, a poor man come in, you treat him this way. And then James ends with this rhetorical question. Rhetorical questions in Greek that begin with ou are implying the answer is yes, just as rhetorical questions in Greek that begin with may are usually implying the answer is no. Another tricky thing here as we translate is we have a kai and a kai, which probably should be understood as a both and construction. So James says, rich guy comes in, treat him this way, poor guy comes in, treat him this way. Have you not both discriminated among yourselves and become judges of evil reasonings, that is, judges with evil thoughts? With the remaining time, let's just focus in on one word here. Let's focus in on the word diakritheita. Diakritheita. It's a little tricky. Do you recognize it comes from the verb diakreno? Diakreno, and when you write that out, you see it has a prepositional prefix, dia. So if there's an augment, it's going to occur right here, right? And we see up here, we see there's an augment right there. We also see this theta. Bam! So we have an augment, theta. We know it's going to be aorist passive in form because that theta, it's like a big old easy chair. Somebody kicking back here with a remote control, watching the Olympics very passively. So again, augment, theta is going to be in form aorist passive indicative, and that ending there is just a second person plural. However, we recognize that these passive forms, these theta passive forms, frequently conveyed a middle idea in Koine Greek. So we could parse it as middle passive or medial passive, recognizing it's really conveying a middle idea. Have you not discriminated among yourselves?